Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, we are going to start learning the Shim Sham Shimmy. So the Shim Sham Shimmy is kind of like the national anthem of tap. It is the most, I think, widely known combo. Every tap dancer should learn it at least, once, and they should practice it over and over because it is the national anthem of tap dance. So it's really fun to do the Shim Sham Shimmy. There are 4 different parts to it. And so I'm going to start here teaching you the first part. This one's called the Shim Sham. Okay? So the Shim Sham starts with a stomp on your right. So you're going to stomp. Then you're going to brush step on that same right foot. So brush step. Pick up your toe or spank step. Spank step on your right foot. So you have stomp, spank step. Okay? Then you're going to hold your weight on your right foot, and now you're going to transfer to your left. You're going to do a stomp, spank, step. Okay? So you're going to do 2 of those. First time is right side, left side. So stomp, spank, step, stomp, spank, step. Okay? On this third time through, you're going to do a stomp, spank, but you're not going to step. You're going to go into a ball change right away. So right foot is now going to go stomp, spank, ball change. And then you're going to round it out by doing a final stomp, spank, step. Okay? So let me show you that to the side, just that first part, so you can see what my feet are doing. So right foot starts stomp, spank, step. Then left. Then you have the third one. Stomp, spank, ball, change, stomp, spank, step. Okay? Try that again. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice, good job. So pretty much now what you're going to do is you're going to repeat that on the left side and then go back and repeat it on the right side as well. So left side now is going to go stomp, spank, step, starting on your left, then right, then the stomp, spank, ball, change, stomp, spank, step. Good, nicely done. Now you're going to do it one more time on your right side. So here we go again. Okay, and that's the whole thing. That's the whole Shim Sham, part 1, right there. So just 3 times of that same rhythm. So let's give it a try. Starting on your right foot, then going to your left foot, then going back to your right. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left side. One more time, right. Then right after this is you go into what's called the break. So we just finished on your right foot. Instead of it being a step, you're just going to make it a tap because we're going to use that foot again. So you're going to make it a tap or a touch. Because then you're going to go into the break. So the break starts with the right foot. You're going to do a stomp. You're going to do a toe behind you. Then you're going to do a step heel left, step heel right, step left, and then jump out, pull your feet in. Okay, let me show you that to the side because it's a little bit hard to do. I don't have a very large board. So again, you're going to stomp on your right, toe on your left, step heel, left, right, step on your left, and then jump out, pull your feet in. Okay. I've also seen it done as hops. I tend to do the step heel version, so the hops would go stomp, toe, step, hop, step, and then jump out, pull it in. You can do either way, whichever feels most comfortable for you. I do the step heels. So again, the break, stomp, toe, step, heel, step, out. Okay? So that's the whole first part right there with the break. The break, you will see, will come up throughout the Shim Sham Shimmy. So just remember that part because it's going to keep recurring. So Let's try the whole thing together, this first Shim Sham part, starting on your right foot. And the Shim Sham tends to start on 8. So right when I say 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so it tends to start on 8. That's just how it's rhythmically done. I'm not sure why. But, so let's go ahead and start it on 8. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pull, stomp, dig, step, heel step, jump, pull. Okay, so there's a slight pause before you go into the break, right after that last one. Pause, stomp, toe. Good, nicely done, you guys. Let's try that one more time. Here we go, maybe a little bit faster, maybe about that tempo. Let's give it a try, starting on 8. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Left side. Right. Now the break. Good, nicely done, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. If you have a question about a particular tap step that you want me to help you with or demonstrate, go ahead and leave that in the comments below. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.